Alright everybody, we have 23 dual tins of 1997-1998 Donruss Preferred Hockey. This is the only box of this that I have. I saw at auction they were only going for about 60 bucks. I think it's worth it to open this up, try to get something cool. Well, I had a knife to open these, but because they got this hard plastic on them, it's alright. What's this? Are these supposed to come with 2 packs? I don't know. There's definitely only 1 pack in here. I have no idea. Football ones don't come with 2 packs, but the football ones just had a piece of like foam that would hold the pack to the top. No, it looks like it just comes with 1 pack. Some sort of die cut something in that pack. Alright, let's open these up. Color guard, Mike Richter. Number to 1500. So that's cool. Even though it's got a big refractor line right there, where the foil comes together. These aren't very easy to get out of here sometimes. I don't want to ruin it at all. Can't really take it out of there. Boy, I have no idea what to do here. I can't get a hold of it. Maybe I can take a pen and get that corner. You're supposed to like put your finger in this corner, but I don't want to damage the sides of the cards. Wow, it is just like in there. Okay, alright. Guess it doesn't matter much anyway, since there really wasn't anything in that pack. There we go, that's what I'm talking about, nice and up front. Easy to grab. Looks like we got a gold card back there. Of Chris Osgood. Yeah, maybe I can just use a pen. Yeah, still pretty ineffective. We got another one that's in the back. Come on. Okay. And I just ripped the thing off, so I can't open the pack that way. Oh, there we go. Having all sorts of trouble. Looks like we got another gold card here. Well, this guy's a rookie. I don't know that guy. Don't know his name. Not a hockey guy. But a rookie of that guy. Looks like we have a silver die cut here of Chris Pronger. I wonder if I can just kind of... I can take it out of here. And bend it away from the pack so to not ruin the corner. Okay. There's something we can do right there. If need be. In fact, I'm just going to try that every time. Whoa, sent it flying. Got a bronze die cut here of Steve Shields. I won't focus, but alright. Come on. Nothing in that one. So we got another bronze die cut in this one. Brian Holsinger. Packs, and they're upside down. Okay. The last time I had a pack upside down in a baseball one, I had a Griffey, a nice Griffey in it. Probably doesn't mean anything, but nope. As this one just had absolutely nothing. Silver card. Got a platinum here of Brendan Shanahan. Ten left. 10 tins left. Oh, we got another one of those die cuts. Mark Dennis. Look at, there's like a plastic still from one of those die cut hanging off there. Some plastic hairs. Out of 1500. Cool. That's cool. Well, we got another backwards pack. Some backwards cards in the backwards pack. Alright. Weird one. Out of all these preferred products, football had the best packaging. Football had the double tin, and then it's got like a sponge in there, basically, which holds it right up against the tin, nice and flat. From what I've seen, it's likely that your corners are going to be damaged on both baseball and hockey. Due to the packaging that they had. You think they would have, all three of them had different packaging. And I really don't understand what's going on with these dual wide cases, dual wide tins, and then, you know, 2 areas, and only one has a pack, so who knew what was going on when they ordered it? What the original plan was. Silver Jeff Sanderson. Looks like there's a bronze die cut in this one. Byron Defoe. Four left. Wayne Gretzky. I haven't even been looking who's on the tins. But we may as well save the Gretzky one for last. gold card here. Joe Thornton, rookie. Two tins left. Silver of Pat LaFontaine. And the last one, the Gretzky tin. We have a line of the times. Sergei Fedorov. A lot of 2s and 5s and 0s in that serial number. Alright, so that was pretty cool. Whole bunch of stuff. I don't know what's best, but I assume maybe these are the best ones. Not sure. This was our rarest cut to the chase. Alright, thanks for watching.